Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video on Python for beginners to advanced. In a previous video, we have seen about the list data type, and in our today's video, we are going to see about the tuple data type. Tuple data type exactly same as that of the list data type, except that it is immutable. So what do we mean by immutable? Immutable means we cannot change the value of this particular data type. So once we are going to assign a particular value, it is going to be static. You can see here, we cannot change the values of the data type. Tuple element can be represented within the parenthesis. Now, example, t is equals to, inside the parenthesis, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And when you're going to give a type of t, it is going to give you at what place you're going to get. So the indexes will be 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3, and so on. The indexes are going to start from 0. It is going to start from 0 from the left hand side. So type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Now, if you see here in this particular code here, we have given at the place of 0, at t is equals to 0, we are inserting 100. If we are going to give just t of 0, then it is going to give us the value as 10. But when we are going to give, or when we are assigning certain value for that particular place, then it does not changes. It is just going to give you does not support item assignment. Why? Because tuple is immutable. We cannot change the value once given again. So we have here t dot append beyond. So what I'm giving, append means in the previous list data type we have seen this append. Append means adding to the first one, that is 10, 20, 30, and 40. We have the tuple. Append means adding another value before 10. So we have given append beyond. So you can see tuple object has no attribute append. So once we are, it does not support any append or remove attribute as your list does. So tuple is the read-only version of the list. List it is mutable. We can change the values. We can append the value. We can remove the value. We can append a certain value in a certain particular index. But whereas when we are going to see about the tuple, this does not change. It is a read-only version of the list, as we can see here. Let us see the next one. Next is a range data type. Now, what do you mean by this range data type? Range data type represents a sequence of number. The elements present in the range data type are not modified. Again, you can see here, whatever we have given one particular sequence of number, you cannot modify this particular data type. That is, range data type is also immutable. This is not mutable. Now, form 1. There are two forms when you are giving particular range. Range of 10. So when you are going to give this as a range of 10, it is going to generate the numbers from 0 to 9. For example, r is equals to range of 10. For I in r, print I. So it is going to print you from 0 to 9. Again, there is another form where you can use this range, that is 10 to 20. So generating a particular range of values. So if you're going to just give one value, it is going to generate from 0 to that particular number. But when you're going to give two numbers, then it is going to print starting from the first number and ending to the second number. So it is going to generate a particular range of numbers. How you are going to write it? R is equals to range of 10 comma 20. R is equals to range of 10 comma 20. For I in R, print I. So it is going to print you the numbers from 10 to 19, whatever will be there. There is another range, another form you can see, there are three things here. So you can see range of 10, 20 and 2. So this is the starting number, this is the ending number, and this is the increment. How much increment do you want when you are printing the numbers? So you can see 2 means the increment value. So here when you have given the range as 10, 22 for I in R, the output will be 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Say for example you have given the range as 3 here, then it will be given as 13, 16, 18 and 19. So this will be the I'm sorry, not 18, it will be directly 19. Okay, so this will be the range that is given. So we can access the elements by using the indexes. Okay, so now you can see there is a one content here, that is you can access the particular data types with the help of their index values, just like in the list. For example, R is equals to range of 10 comma 20. For R of 0 is 10, R of 0 is equal to 10, R of 15 if we are going to use, then it is going to give us range object indexes out of range, because we know that from 10 to 20 we have how many? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are only 10 indexes available. So 20 will also not be in the range, but here you have only till 10 indexes. If you are going to give 15th index which is not present, then it is going to give you range object index out of range. So you can also modify the values of this range data type. For example, R of 0 is 100. We cannot modify the values of the range data type. You know that because this is immutable, and also in that particular range 100 does not come. Now for example, if I'm going to give the range 10 and 20, then from where you can assign the range as 100? The range that we have given, that is R of 10 comma 20. So in this particular range we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and so on. So does in this particular up to 20. So in this particular range, do we find the range 100? Can we find the number 100? So if we are going to give such a nonsense values, then it is going to give us error type, that is range, that is it does not fit in this particular range, or object does not support the item assignment. So we can create a list of values of range data type, that will be like I is equals to list of range 10. So it will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there will be 10 items in it. So this was about the range. Meet you again in the next video with the set data type. Till then, keep learning. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, bye bye.